Hi everyone, today we're gonna do a digital marketing case study. We have given a data set related to the digital marketing world, and then we have to go through the data set, look upon it, and make some key performance indices related to the digital marketing, and then create some visualization on it in the Google Data Studio. So firstly, we will go through the data set that is given to us. On opening the data set, here we can see that we have given the data set that is week, campaign, ad group, key type, and different columns are there up to the n. And if we look down how many data point we have 419 columns of the data. So now we will move here. Now they have given us some information on the data set, that is cost tells us about the total ad spend on a particular date. Here we can see that this is the cost which tells us about the total ad spend on a particular date. Impression tells us about the number of people who has viewed our ad. So this is the impression right here. Clicks tells us about the count of clicks on our ad. So here is the clicks. Prospects tells us about the count of the people interested in our product. So here is the prospects. Now, the payments are the actual purchase made by the users. So here is our payment. Now, ROAS is the return on ad spend that is calculated using the payment and cost. So here is our payment and here is our cost. Dividing payment by cost, we get our ROAS. Each row is assigned to the date of the ad spend, so you can compare the quality of ad spends. Okay, so here we can see that here we are given dates in the weekly format. So 25 Jan, 1 Feb, 1 week, then 8 Feb. So here the data is given into the week format. Now we will go through the question that we are requested to go through the dataset as we have already done, and we have to deliver the following. We have to create a combined report with all key matrices such as spends and return percentage in a weekly and a monthly format. Then we have to decide the number of data fields that we like to showcase there. And we have to tell which is the most profitable channel, which category keyword is the most profitable. We have to look upon the insights while analyzing the data points on the different series graph. We are also told that to bring our creativity in the insights of the data set. So we have to attach all the graphs, pivot tables, presentation format in the Google Data Studio, and we also have to share our base Excel file or the Google Sheet file that is our right here. So now before going through directly through the visualization, we will see the key terms for the digital marketing campaigns. Some key terms we have already learned, some key terms we will look now. So firstly is the impression, as we have already read that it is the number of times our ad or content is displayed to the user. So this is the impression. Clicks tells us about the number of times the user has clicked our ad or have shown interest in it. Prospects tells us about the people who has actually shown interest in a product or services but haven't completed the desired action, that is the payment action. Those are the potential leads. Those can be a potential leads as we can contact to them later on and convert them into a payment, lead them to a payment. Leads are typically refers to the user who have taken a specific action that indicates a high level of interest or engagement in a product, such as some people have signed up for the newsletter or have filled a contact a query form. So we consider those people as in leads. So payment tells us about the revenue generated from our marketing effort. It could be the total amount of money earned from the sales, subscription, or any monetary transaction from our campaigns. Now we will see the cost. The cost is the total expenses that we have incurred while our marketing and advertisement campaigns. It includes expenditure like advertising cost, team salaries, and other expenses. Now we will see some key performance indices, and we will go through all of them one by one in the next videos, and I will see also show you the formulas that are used for the each key performance indices and tell you their importance. So till then, keep learning and we'll meet you in the next video.